Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make chicken gumbo. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so we're going to start with one brown onion. Slice through the middle. And we just want to coarsely chop our onion. Next we'll need some capsicum. For this recipe I'm going to use 2 banana chilies. These are basically just capsicums, just a bit sweeter. You can use regular capsicum, whatever you like. So cut off the stems, down through the middle. I want to take out the stem and the seeds. And just like an onion, we want to coarsely chop it up. So guys, the next thing we'll need is okra. So I've got about 1 cup of okra here. You can find this in most markets. And all we need to do with our okra is just slice it up like so. Obviously discard the stems, we don't need the stems. Now if you can't find okra, you can do this without it, but being a Cajun dish, it is one of the most important ingredients in it. So if you can find it, use it. Alright guys, so moving on into a pot on a medium heat, we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of oil. And we're going to start by adding in 500 grams of diced chicken breast. And we just want to brown our chicken. Once your chicken is browned, we're going to add our onion and capsicum straight in. And all we want to do at this point is cook both of these together until they're nice and soft. Next we'll add 2 crushed garlic cloves. 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, about a 1/4 teaspoon of ground chilli. And I'm just going to add in 1 can of chopped tomatoes. That is just a 400 gram can. At this point we'll season with a pinch of salt and some cracked pepper. So guys, what we're going to do now is lower our heat to low to medium, and we're going to add in 1 cup of rice. I'm just using long grain. 3 bay leaves. And we'll top this all up with 3 cups of chicken stock. And just give that all a good mix. Now we're just going to place the lid on our pot. Let this cook for about 25 minutes to 30 minutes on a low to medium heat. Alright guys, so it's been 20 minutes so far. As you can see, our gumbo is starting to thicken up and come together. So what we're going to do at this point is add in our okra. And just mix that through. And we're going to put the lid back on, cook for a further about 5 minutes on a low heat. Alright, and after another 5 minutes, we're ready to serve. And there we have it guys, beautiful chicken gumbo. And guys, that's all there is to it. I hope you like that guys, please like and subscribe. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.